Did you know you can find the linear equation of your XY data in Microsoft Excel directly without drawing a scatter plot and finding the trend line? Hello and welcome to Ben Academy. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to use some functions like RSQ, slop, and intercept to calculate the equation like y equals mx plus b directly from your data without drawing a plot such as scatter plot and something else. Fast and easy. Let's begin. It's the diagram that I have drawn previously. It's a scatter plot, and you can find the tutorial to find out how you can draw a scatter plot. But in some cases, you may prefer to not draw a scatter plot and add a trend line to find out the equation. Maybe in some cases, you need a slop here directly in a cell without writing it manually. So in some cases, you may prefer to write some equations. The first equation to find out the slop is slop function. You can write slop like this, and you can now select y and x axis one by one. First, so if I click on the first item of y data and choose Control Shift and down, I can select whole data like this. With clicking on formula bar and writing comma, you can also add x data like this by clicking on the first value in X series and select Control Shift and down. You can select all the X data like this. By closing the bracket, you can find slope easily like this. You can check it with the equation written on the diagram. It's actually the same. You can also find the intercept that is added here with a plus sign. You can write intercept and again select y and x data. You can select the previously written formula here, copy this, and then paste it and just change the function from slope to intercept. Now you can find intercept. That is exactly the same thing is written in the equation of trend line in the diagram. You can also find the r square with the function RSQ. Again, you have to select y and x. You could also again paste the value you have copied before and change the slope to RSQ easily. You can see that it's again the same value you have found out previously. So it's much easier in some cases. And if you want to write the equation, you can simply use the concatenate function or write each part one by one using the equal sign and writing each part in double quotation like this. For example, y equal in double quotation, then and sign, then slop, again and write x plus in double quotation again and again and intercept. You can see that it's written easily like this. You can make the numbers with less decimals. It's not practical if you simply change it in the view. You should round it to be used in the equation in the simpler way. So I can use the round function like this. You can set the number of digits. For example, 2 digits is enough for me. You can see that it's now corrected. And also for the intercept, I can also use again the round function with 2 digits like this. If you want to exactly write something like this, you can see here that there are 4 digits here and 3 digits here. So you can say 4 digits for slop and 3 digits for intercept. So it's exactly the same thing you can see here. You can adjust it as you wish. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have enjoyed this trick. If you have any question, you can write your questions as comments below this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to support us. See you in other videos.